But we can still have. Hi, beautiful people. My name is Caroline Wamboy, and welcome back to this amazing channel. So today I want to do, it's just a, let me say it's a random vlog, but there are many things featured in this video, and I'm going to start up by cleaning up these utensils. Later on, we are going to organize my baby's clothes. Then I'm going to show you what my mother sent me from the village, because she sent me a very good kamzigo which will take me for the few months to come. So stick around and make sure you leave a beautiful comment, like and share the video if you can. Allow me also to welcome all the new subscribers of the week at this chance. Karibuni sana to this amazing channel. We love visitors. In this channel, we usually do a lot of cleaning videos, homemaking, a little bit of cooking, and everything around us is content. So you're going to just find a mixture of content here, but mostly around home. Also, allow me to thank the returnees at this point. Thank you for always finding the time to just come and catch up with my content, and special thanks to my Premier Gang for always finding the time to just join me in my premieres, and that is where we interact. So in case you're new here, we normally do our videos on Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, but I'm thinking of changing Sunday. If I get some time to fix over the week, I'm going to remove that video from the weekend. So stick around and enjoy the whole part of the video. Sufurias and less utensils. Just know that I had spent maybe the day or the night just boiling up cereals. So I did some cereal restock during the night, and that's why I had to clean up so many sufurias in the morning. So this was later in the day, and I wanted to organize the clothes that my baby usually use most. I normally store them in this bag. I don't usually mix them up with the rest, as in I just have a place for putting each and every of her clothes. I have where I put her uniforms, I have where I put her church dresses, and these are the clothes we mostly use. I realized that these ones are the ones that get disorganized quite easily, and that's why I decided to separate them from the rest as a way of just saving up my time for folding and even arranging. So I also wanted to do an organization of my wardrobe, but I realized I'm just running out of hangers. So once I get hangers from Kamukunji, we are going to do the organization with you guys. So for this one, I will only do my baby's clothes, and specifically those ones that we normally use on a daily basis. So as I was folding, I was just listening to some music, and my laptop is just acting up. I don't know what is happening to it, but I'll take it to a technician because it's really disturbing me. Yeah, it's just hanging, as I don't know, but it's just frustrating me. Yeah, so let's fold these clothes because I think for me, I don't love folding clothes. It is usually a no for me. I would rather clean up the whole day and not fold. So that's why I was listening to some music, so that it will just motivate me to just finish up. Maybe you can comment down below which are those house chores that you do not love. Yeah, let me know in the comment section.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions.
My brother was at home over the weekend, and my mom sent him something. So at the end, we are going to just see what my mom brought me. She sent me a very good kamzigo, which we are going to just open or unpack together.
My heart rages
this is the kamzigo that mom has sent, and of course nishachungulia because I was very curious and I want us to remove every item together. I want to remove every item together with you. And let me tell you something, half of this kamzigo is potatoes, and I feel like I own gold in this house. Of course, my brother has already taken his share, so I don't want to imagine the amount of potatoes that were in the sack. They were quite many. So let's remove everything together. Let's see what is inside. Guys, allow me to show you what is in this sack because hey, let me start with what I can feel. The first thing that my mom sent me are these peas. Guys, this one I think could be something like 400 shillings here in Nairobi because this is about 2 kgs akasuku, and I had already requested her and nisaidia tu kuzitoa kwa maganda, and she did that. And peas, I'm boiling them like now. It's like 10 p.m. but I'm telling you I have to boil them because they have stayed the whole day like this and I don't want them to get bad. So I'm boiling them right away. And whatever you see here, guys, we don't buy. We grow them in our farm. Yeah, we grow them in our farm. We don't buy anything at home. Anything food, we don't buy. So, the next thing are, wow, some maize. So I'll be cooking githeri. There are a few pieces and you can see she has just done the right full. I just have to just getting them from their cobs. And guys, let me remove the maize so that I can show you what is there. I think she only got these 4 pieces and she knows I don't love the hard ones, so maybe the rest are hard. She only got the soft ones for me. Allowed me to put them down there because I will wash them. All these are avocados. Linda Mary, come and visit me. I have avocados, guys. Wow. Let me put them here. So the next item that is in our sack, these are beans, yellow beans. This has been a harvesting season, February for us, and I'm sorted for the whole month until I go home over the Easter holidays. So these are about 2 kgs, and I'm not yet finished the other ones that I carried the last time I was at home. Woo! Fruits. June Kirwa, come for fruits. Passion fruits and tomato fruits are here and are in plenty. Very fresh from the farm. And cabbage. But this was my mistake. I told her yesterday when it was very late that if there are cabbages, she should include it in the parcel. Normally, when I go home, I have never at any time carried cabbage, but this time around I needed them because they are expensive, but nilisema nikiwa nimechelewa. So this is what she got. I think aligawa tu kwa za nyumba. Yeah, at least I've saved up some money. And guys, the rest are potatoes. All this for myself and my daughter. I feel like I have gold in the house. I think you heard me complaining in the last video that I bought potatoes. In Nairobi, since I came to Nairobi, I think I have bought potatoes over counted seasons. Yeah, because I normally get them from home. Yeah, so these are potatoes and these ones are enough to feed us until we go for the Easter holidays to say hi to my mom physically. She had sent my brother the parcel and tumegawana na yeye everything that she had sent. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let me put them in the rightful containers so that you can see them clearly. Yeah. And the peas are very many. Hata zimekataa kutoshea hapa. But I will be cooking them right away. These ones, I don't have to worry about them. So those are the peas. I have the maize here. I think I'll prepare githeri tomorrow after work. I have the fruits there. Sorry for the shadows. I'm doing this at night. I have the many avocados there. I will put them in a sack or a warm place so that they can ripen. Then I have the beans here. I've not put them in the container I usually store them in because it has other beans. Then I have my cabbage there and my many potatoes here. So I think I'm sorted for the next 1 month. God bless you a lot, Mama. I love you so, so much. And everyone who contributed to this, including my grandmother and grandpa, may God bless you. And for my brother for just agreeing to carry something for me. So here we go, guys. Yeah. So may God bless them so, so much for me. I'm coming to see you soon. Yeah, the Easter holidays are almost coming. I'm going to come and say hi. Yeah, so that's it, guys.